Hey everyone, John from Huron Speed here. We're going to do the first giveaway in the truck group purchase. This is for the first 25 entrants that entered the sale, and the winner of this will win free ceramic coating to the hot side of their kit. So I have the first 25 invoices here, numbers 1 to 25. The first person to enter would be number 1, and on the line till the 25th, so I have 25 tennis balls here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw them in this box, and we're going to dump them out, and usually we have a dog that will pick one. However, dogs decide to stay home for the day, so I have a silicone coupler there. I'm just going to dump these out, and whichever tennis ball lands closest to the silicone coupler will be the winner. So again, this is for the current 2019-20 truck repurchase kit, first 25 entrants, and the winner will win free ceramic coating to their hot side. I believe currently we're still stuck at 26 entrants. Once we hit 31, we will have a price drop, and once we hit 35, we will do another giveaway, which I believe that one is for a Black Series intercooler upgrade, like that right there. So here we go. Whichever one ends up closest to that silicone coupler will be the winner. Good luck to all, and thanks for participating. Oh, we got a couple close ones here. Grab a tape. Alright, oh, I think this is the winner here. Alright. Looks like 7 inches there. It's over 7 there. So the winner here is number 3. So we'll match that up with the invoices here. 1, 2, 3. All right, number 3. Paul Free Jack, congratulations. Looks like you have a hot side on order, so that hot side will come ceramic coated for you. Again, thanks everyone for participating, and we'll be in touch soon once we get that next price drop and 35 for the next giveaway. Thanks.